So we're going to see if we can get our resident frog there some clearer water. And to do that, we're going to make a bog filter. We want this to go pretty low, but I don't want this end touching the ground, so I'm just going to move it up a tad. Where we want it. We want this up high, be as high on the top as we can get it. So it's going to unscrew this. It unscrews backwards. That's how it's made. It has this silicone gasket. It's going to be on the outside. We'll put it in like this. And then just screw this, clamp this on tight. I'm going to put that on as tight as we can get it by hand. Pop that in there, like so. Again, gasket on the outside. Really as tight as I can get it, but by hand. Our bog filter is going to basically just be this Sterilite container. Here on this side is a 1.5 inch inlet with that bulkhead fitting, and then that's going to be on the side. And then on this side we're going to put this 2-inch bulkhead fitting, and that will be the drain. We're going to use our corresponding hole saws. Now that that's all done, we can go ahead and add our layer of lava rock, and we've got these bags here. It makes cleaning it going to be a lot easier to just pull out the lava rock in bags. Oh, on top of that will be our bio balls. The lava rock and the bio balls are just places for good bacteria to grow, and that helps filter and clear the water, as well as these filters. We ordered all this here on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description below if you want to use that. A while ago, we put in an air bubbler in our pond, which has really taken care of the algae, but it's still pretty cloudy. So the first thing I'm putting in after the rock, that leaves a little gap at the bottom. It leaves 2 bags of lava rock. Now we need bio balls, and now the filters. The blue one was the 25 ppi, and this black one is the 50 ppi, just for reference. All these layers are what's needed to really filter things out nicely. Now this is pretty heavy now, which is a good thing. It's not likely to tip or move. Then we can turn it on, plug her in, and see how things go. And there we go. That pump is Alpine. I think it's 4,000 gallons per, and it is too strong. Interesting. Right, took out all the pads and the bio balls and the lava rock, and I'm going to change things around a bit to try to reduce the flow. I got this reducer right here that I'm going to stick in the pipe, and that's going to make it go from 1.5 down to 1 inch. That should help reduce it. I'm going to put this foam in first. It'll be harder to change this way, but I think it'll slow the water down coming in a little better. Once it gets to this level, I just want the water to pour out, and before this was in front of it, slowing it down. So now we'll go ahead and put lava rock in, and now we'll just give it a try and just see what that 1 inch did to change it. Okay, so we plugged it in, and we're just going to let the water rise with this new configuration and see if this helps it a little bit more. Looks like it's overflowing here a little bit. Just at the handle, but it's still going, it's all still going into the pond, so that's fine. Pretty close to the top. That's the block filter. Now let it do its work, but we'll see if running through that will go ahead and make this a little cleaner, take care of some of the fogginess of it. So we should know in a day or two. Looks like Mr. Frog is enjoying his new environment. All right, so there you go. You see quite a difference in the water coming out. Seeing signs of the water clearing. You can now fully see the rocks underneath that big flat rock and all the way around the edges of the entire pond. You can also see the bottom. So it is clearing up. It's been about, this is day number 8. I do expect that over time, this is just going to get nothing but clearer and clearer. For about the first 3 days, there was seeming little difference, and then day by day, it's been getting better each time. And when the water started coming out of the bog filter clear like that, I was like, okay, something's happening. So we're in pretty good shape now. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.